Make sure you're ready with Twixtor and your zooms. Now add an adjustment layer between your clips. Then add CC Wide Time and just follow my keyframes. Next, add another adjustment layer. Apply S_time slice, change the slice number to 6, and enable this. Now add one more adjustment layer and apply S_shake. Follow my settings here. After that, ease your keyframes and follow my graph. Finally, duplicate all the adjustment layers and paste them onto your other clip. That's it. Thank you for watching.